Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. The topic for our today's lecture is Introduction to Integrated Development Environment. The points we will discuss in this lecture are firstly, the definition, then background of the topic, introduction, abbreviation, word first IDE, plugin concept, types of IDEs, components of IDEs, and objectives or functionalities, features, and some examples, and then tabular form of IDEs and some images related to IDEs. First of all, definition. Integrated Development Environment IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. A little background. IDEs initially became possible when developing via console or terminal. Dartmouth Basic was the first language to be created with an IDE and was also the first to be designed for use while sitting in front of a console or terminal. Introduction. An integrated development environment IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to a computer programmers for software development. Integrated development environments are designed to maximize programmer productivity by providing tight-knit components with similar user interfaces. Abbreviation. The abbreviation of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Word first IDE. Maestro 1 is a product from SoftLab Munich and was the world's first integrated development environment for software. Maestro 1 was installed for 22,000 programmers worldwide. Today, one of the last Maestro 1 can be found in the Museum of Information Technology in Arlington in Texas. Plug-in concept. One of the first IDEs with a plug-in concept was SoftBench. Which interface used? IDEs use Graphical User Interface, which is GUI. Here are some types of IDEs. Multi-language IDE. Multi-language IDEs such as Eclipse, NetBeans, Komodo, Aptana support multiple programming languages. IDE for mobile development, HTML IDE, cloud-based IDE, IDE specific to Microsoft or Apple, IDE for specific languages. Here are some components of IDEs: source code editor, then compiler, linker, interpreter, and debugger. GUI means Graphical User Interface Builder. Here are some objectives and functionalities. IDE makes our tasks very easy because IDEs have many new and advanced functions and new features with which it makes our task very accurate and easy. We can customize our IDE according to our needs, like we can change them colors and code is displayed in more attractive ways. IDEs help us in coding because it has many built-in functions. By using these functions, we can make our code in less time, and in this way, it also saves our time. IDEs helps us in defining many errors in our codes. IDEs increases programmer productivity by combining common activities of writing software into a single application, editing source code, building executable, and debugging. Here are some features. Text editor. Virtually every IDE will have a text editor designed to write and manipulate source code. Then debugger. Debugging tools assist users in identifying and remedying errors within source code. Code completion, programming language support, integration, and plugins. Here are examples of IDEs include NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ, Visual Studio. Here is the tabular form of IDEs. And this is the image related to IDEs. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture, and please also share the summary of what you have learned from today's lecture in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.